But look, there's tape on the mirror side. Like, there's tape, like...
Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be fixing the passenger side mirror housing and glass of a 2010 Ford Mustang. This fix should apply to other year model Mustangs as well. There may be some slight variations, but the general concept is the same. As you can see, the mirror glass is loose, as well as the whole housing. So let's take out the glass first. Set the angle of the glass to face inward. Start gently pulling the glass towards the car. Make sure you spread your fingers behind the glass evenly for better force distribution. Hi, this is RJ from the future, and what you're watching right now is the wrong way to remove the glass from the side mirror housing. If you can, look for my other video on how to remove it properly so you don't break your side mirror mechanism like I did. This is wrong. So don't do this. I'm just including it in the video because I want everyone to learn from my mistakes. Thank you for watching. From the inside of the vehicle, pop off the trim cover for the side mirror. Take off the side mirror connector, and from behind there's a tab that you can press to release it. The size of the nuts holding the side mirror is 7/16 or 11 millimeters. So use a 7/16 or 11 millimeters to take it off. Alright, I can see that this is cracked there, which is why it's loose. So I guess we're gonna try to glue it inside the house to keep it stable so it doesn't move around. So we're going to continue this inside the house. So when you take out your side mirror, there's going to be holes here. To prevent bugs or insects from going in, make sure you put some painter's tape or masking tape in. The interesting design of this side mirror is that the arm that is mounted on the car is connected directly to the side mirror mechanism. This one. The whole housing is directly connected to the side mirror mechanism. That is why when the arm broke off the side mirror mechanism, the side mirror also became loose and the whole housing is also loose. I would love to get in the head of the engineer who designed this and to know the reasoning for this design. So what I'm gonna do now is take out the tabs. These ones. And one here. So we can take off the front of the side mirror and maybe we can super glue this together. Well, I guess we can't glue it from here, huh? So what we'll do is we'll glue it here. We'll put Loctite in this area and press it together and see if that works. Now that the glue has hardened and the side mirror arm seems to stick to the side mirror mechanism, let's put back the side mirror glass. With the side mirror glass, we have to take off this spear by taking off these tabs first. Then we need to attach the tabs to this part. Then we attach the side mirror. So let's take out this one by releasing it from the tabs. Well, whoever designed this obviously didn't want you to reuse the side mirrors because it took me a long time to take it out. So you had to pull these tabs out, almost like breaking them. Then this will pop out eventually, but it will take you a hard time or a long time doing it. So you have to use a combination metal stuff to pry it up while pressing this outward, and eventually it will come off. So you gotta put this first in on the side mirror housing, then screw this in, then put the side mirror glass. So just a quick update, I taped up the side mirror glass because I was scratching it when I was trying to remove this mechanism that got stuck behind it. And I guess I broke it more than I wanted to when I forcefully pulled it off, because this part is supposed to stay with the side mirror mechanism. With this, well, this is a 10 star. If you pull it off, this part is supposed to stay there. So there's a part of it that's supposed to be there that you're supposed to screw this off when you take it off. So now I have to take this part off and glue it there before I can reinstall this and screw this back in. Right now, if I screw it in, it has nothing to hold on to because the part that it needs to hold on to is here. So we gotta take this off and glue it back there first. As you can see, it's moving. That part needs to be on that side. So you can see it came off. So now need to get this part. Okay, so we need to reinstall this part in there. Here, this part there. There, like that. So basically, we're gonna glue this, put glue on this, and attach it like that. Hopefully. Let the glue dry for 2 to 5 minutes or until you see it's completely dry. Okay, so the glue seems to have dried up and the broken part seems to have stayed in its original position. So we're good to go. We're gonna put this alignment mechanism back. So we're gonna put this alignment rod back here. Okay, so there's an alignment parts also here. I don't know if you can see it on both sides. You have to align it in. Okay, so it's aligned both sides. Now we're gonna put the spring in here before this, whatever it's called. Now this is a number 10 star that you have to align it with. Alright, now we'll put the spring and the side mirror mechanism stabilizer in its location. Then we'll put the screw in. I don't know if I mentioned it. It's a number 10 star screw. I use a number 10 star screw head. Okay, let's do this one more time because I don't want to give the wrong information out there. So this is the correct sequence, order, and position of how to reinstall the parts. We'll start with a spear. The spear has to be facing the housing. So you'll put it in. Next is the spring. Then the screw. So you'll screw it in. So that is the correct sequence and positions. Alright, now we'll put in the glass. Face it inward again. And carefully manipulating the tabs and the locking mechanism from behind. Like I said, you gotta do this by feel. Just be patient when you don't get it the first time. Now it's time to put back the side mirror housing back in its place. So we'll put the screws through the hole. Then put the nuts back in. Well, let's connect the wiring harness first so we don't forget. The screws are 11 millimeters, just in case you forgot. Let's test it first to make sure it's working. Now let's finish it up by putting back the plastic panel. And that is how you repair a side mirror housing on a 2010 Ford Mustang. To be honest, it would have been cheaper to buy the whole passenger side mirror unit, but the builder in me wanted to repair it first, and I really hate the disposable society right now. So if I can fix it, I'll try to fix it first. Anyway, that is another episode of How to Helen. My name's Arjeff, and thank you for watching.